Yes, you are audible.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Varu. Today I am presenting technical seminar on the topic motion capture, guided by Professor Bhavya Amar. And I would like to welcome my co-evaluators, Professor Kavya Ravishankar, Professor Isma Kaushik, faculty and students present over here. These are the topics I am going to explain today. Motion capture is process of recording environment movements of objects or people. It is actually based on measure the motion of moving objects in three-dimensional space. To capture motion capture specialist place sensors all over an actor. These track and record their movements, allowing them to map on a computer screen in real time as a virtual skeleton. Motion capture is widely used in movies these days, where the actor movements have been recorded and 3D character has been applied to it, and it is done by using Vicon motion capture cameras, and the data is recorded and stored as raw motion data, and the data is tracked again, and it is converted into C3D files, and it is applied to the 3D character, and we'll get the character that way. Now we will look on to the literature survey. First paper is Acquisition and Processing of Facial Motion Capture Data, published by IEEE in the year 2020. Here in this paper, they emphasize on collection of data for facial capture and how the data is collected and has been processed using Cara Live software. And the second paper is Real-Time Facial Motion Capture using RGBD images under complex motion and conclusion. RGBD is a camera used in this survey, and here in this paper they present a technique for capturing facial performance in real time using RGBD camera, which can be applied to facial argument by leveraging facial expression changes. We go to next paper now. In the third paper is investigation of on body wave propagation using an arm swinging phantom model in motion capture technique, published by IEEE in the year 2020. In this paper, they developed a modular human body phantom model which is capable of arm swinging motions. And the last paper is biometric identification using facial motion amplification, published by IEEE in the year 2019. And this paper proposes a new biometric trait based on facial motion amplification. It does not rely on the visibility of critical facial features such as nose, mouth, iris, and eyebrows. Now we will move on to the case study of facial motion capture. Motion capture is a process of electrically converting the movements of person face into a digital database using cameras or laser scanners. This database can be used to produce computer graphics, computer animation for movies, games, or real-time avatars. It is a subject where face animation stimulation can be captured by facial expression motion, and it is processed and analyzed, and data is collected from them. This case study introduced a Vicon Cara face capture system. It is a software used to capture that motion, and the collection method of facial motion capture data, where Vicon Cara is automated and reconstructed product used for facial capture system. Here, Cara Live software was used to track and record facial makers, well as the simulation recordings as auxiliary devices. The experiment was conducted in a room. It should be large in space and no noise in the surrounding environment. There should be no noise in the surrounding environment. And it will track and get a feature points in the pronunciation, facial expression of motion data, and the feature points optical makers ensure that each maker points when doing exaggerated expressions are clearly visible and then able to correct the facial movements. The surface of the mark point, which is done on the face, is relevant to material. It is pasted on the main feature points of the face, and LED radiation lights are used to make this face capture. The face capture system is connected to the Cara Live software, adjusting the focal length and position of the cameras, and it should be brightened with light components until the speaker face makers are clearly visible in the software cameras. The data collected using Cara Live software is as shown, which is done by making the feature definition points on the face, like as shown in the figure here. And it is the processing of our software. And come to data optimization, Cara Post software used to track, record, and progress the movement trajectory and the 3D spatial coordinates of facial expression data. Feature points were obtained from that. The data collected by the face capturing is used to construct a 3D face model suitable for animation based on face information. Information which were connected from the radiations we have collected the facial data from that radiation, and it is captured, and 3D model has been done from that one. The continuous video and audio are divided into independent units to avoid noise and non-audio segments affecting the data analysis results. In order to accurately analyze the lip shape parameters of each label video, and audio should be segmented into according to label, so that each label element should be treated as independent individual. The irrelevant data informed in the video should be cut out or deleted so that no bugs or errors can be seen in the video. Each video unit is to be normalized so that video file not only retains the data required by the experiment, but also reduces the space occupied by the file, so that the file can be compressed and make it small, which can improve the running speed of the data processing and analyze of the computer. And it is improved and facial efficiency of data processing and subsequent analysis. It can be applied in the military, so that the demo can be done before going to the actual operation. It is helpful in that way. And in entertainment field, mainly used in making movies or cartoons in today's life, and it is also used in sports, and it can be used in medical applications, like how to show patients how it works and it is operated before the operation. And computer vision, and it also can be used in computer vision and how the robotics work. Some of the advantages of this motion captures are, it is low latency and it's close to real time. What you do will actually come into the screen, and the limited talent has been applied here, and physically it is accurate and fine. And time effectiveness, it take less time to do that, and high production and cost efficient also. And some of the disadvantages are, specific hardware has been required, like Cara software, Cara face vision software. There should be a specific software for this type of data to be applied. High equipment cost on going to cost relevant, it is high cost actually. And specific hardware, high speed requirement, and the movements of the actor should be high compared to other movies. Movement that does not follow the law of physics cannot be captured. Unlike the law of physics, it cannot capture the offside of the law of physics. Some of the stretch animation techniques must be added later. Now we'll see the conclusion part. To gather more accurate, more precision data for research, this article mainly included Vaira facial software capture system. Recon Cara facial capture system can be tracked and analyze facial expression with high quality. It can capture facial details more precisely, and it has a more complete operation process in setting time and capturing the data quality. If high quality data can be collected at early stage of the study, the efficiency of subsequent data processing can be improved to ensure the quality of data which will promote the future research. And these are some of the future work we can see through it. Motion capture can replace animation in further days. It is in high demand. Increase in accuracy and speed can be increased in future, and bigger and better equipments can be seen in the future work. These are some of the references I have used here. Thank you. If you have anything to ask, you can ask.
Swaroop, come to application slide.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me how this technology is applicable for sports?
Ma'am, sports, like before organizing an event, it can be done in CG, like event ee tara barutte anta madbodu ma'am modle.
Like
ma'am,
what kind of event?
Ma'am, ಏನಾರು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮೊದಲೇ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಈ ತರ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಮೊದಲೇ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ವೆಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇದಾಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ.
ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರೀ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್.
ಆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಪ್ರೀ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್.
In medical applications?
Ma'am, before operations, we can show the patients, no, ma'am, how it is operated and how it is done.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sushma ma'am? Ma'am, if you have any questions, you can ask.
No questions from my end, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ma'am, no questions from my end also.
Thank you.
Continue.
Yes. Okay. Yashika, Swaroop, you end the session. Yashika, you start. So link is shared in the chat box. So please join Yashika's meeting. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.